cool. I think it will be a great gift, ready to be hung. You can paint them. Oops. You know how you can buy those vintage prints online? So I'm talking about these vintage art prints that are printed on book or dictionary pages. You can find them on Amazon or Etsy. Well, you don't have to buy them anymore. You can actually make them yourself. It's actually quite easy to do and fun. It's a lot of fun. So here is all we need today to make it happen. You probably already have most of it at home. I'm going to post links to all the supplies I'm using today below this video. And if you're not sure how you can use these prints, stick around to the end of this video and I'll show you all the cool things you can do with these prints. And by the way, if the essential oil doesn't transfer your image, you can use 100% acetone instead. The book is available on Amazon, so make sure you get it. And yeah, we got a great transfer. And once it's dry, I'm going to quickly paint it with my favorite watercolor paints. And after painting it, I'll show you how to mount it on canvas and finish the whole piece so it's ready to be hung or gifted to your friends. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I make this kind of tutorials every week and you don't want to miss one. Okay, so now I'm going to use matte medium to basically glue the page on my canvas. And all right. If it's a kid, you can use a kid, and it's ready to be ready to hang. And if you like this, you can do with these, all these things you can do with these cool prints. Yeah, that works too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.